Assalamualaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to add exit button to fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Open a PDF form, make this on fillable, tools menu, prepare from, and go to toolbar, draw a text field. Go to properties, add the border, fill color, and click the action and select the action. Choose the execute a menu item, add menu, select the file and close. Add the button name. Go to preview and click the close. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.